Hey, what up, guys? This is Adam Lewis Genius. Skies is Unlimited. Skies Unlimited. Alpha Drone on YouTube. I've been missing for a long time, and I'm glad to see y'all again on YouTube. I do want to let y'all know that I have been productive. I just haven't been putting my content on YouTube channels, and I do want to show you guys some of the new stuff I've made. So I'm going to be uploading videos coming soon to you guys. So I want you guys to check it out. And I do have an Instagram page now, and here is my Instagram page, fellas. I got this buzz. Look at it. This is my Instagram channel right now, Alan Lewis Genius Films. I go by two names, so you'll see it in the description box as well. And I do have a commercial that I would like for you guys to check out, which is a commercial about Tesla. It's a funny Tesla commercial I made. But the punchline is at the end. There's only one punchline, that's it. And I just stop this thing. So I would like for you guys to just, share some of my videos. Especially I get tutorials. I show you what I do with drones. I have my gimbal over here. I'm gonna kick some ass with this gimbal this week. This is what I shot the car video with, by the way. The Tesla video with the gimbal right here. And I do have a video of how, when you do use the gimbal, it doesn't swing when your phone is on there, so your phone won't bump into the bottom piece down here. I have a tutorial I made using the Velcro, how to make that happen. It's a very simple process. All right, so check out I'm gonna also put the link down there in the description box, so you can make sure that your gimbal is safe, your phone is safe on your gimbal. All right. So thank you for watching. Miss you guys. All my drone friends, I'm back. Alpha Drone. Thanks.